Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is nutrition and food fortification, from cellular vitality to collective well-being. Ladies and gentlemen, nutrition is not merely the act of eating. It is the art of programming life itself. Every morsel fuels over 37 trillion human cells, each performing precise life-sustaining functions. These cells are the silent engines of physical strength, mental clarity, emotional balance, and even spiritual awareness. Yet, in a world overflowing with food choices, billions face hidden hunger, micronutrient deficiencies that quietly erode vitality, weaken immunity, and limit human potential. To nourish the body is to empower the mind, strengthen the community, and advance the destiny of humankind. Science confirms that well-being begins at the cellular level. Proteins form the body's building blocks. Carbohydrates supply energy. Fats protect and stabilize cell membranes, and vitamins and minerals orchestrate the countless biochemical reactions that sustain life. Deficiency in vitamin A dims vision and lowers immunity. Lack of iron slows both body and mind. Iodine scarcity disrupts metabolism. Vitamin D deficiency affects bone and muscle health. Inadequate zinc weakens repair and recovery. Balanced nutrition is therefore not a privilege. It is the foundation for longevity, creativity, and the awakening of higher consciousness. Food fortification is one of the most effective tools to address these gaps. By enriching commonly consumed staples, iodine in salt, iron in flour, vitamin D in milk, nations have transformed public health outcomes. According to the World Health Organization, every dollar invested in fortification can yield up to $27 in economic benefit. It is a solution that is both scientifically sound and economically wise. Ancient wisdom echoes these truths. Ayurveda, the timeless science of life, speaks of ahara, food, as the first medicine, and ojas, the subtle essence of vitality, derived from proper nourishment and natural sunshine. Traditional diets were naturally fortified. Sesame seeds for calcium, lentils with turmeric for anti-inflammatory balance, fermented foods for digestive resilience. These practices nourished not just the body but harmonized mind and spirit with the rhythms of nature. Yet, modern industrial processing often strips foods of their natural richness, creating a gulf between caloric sufficiency and true nourishment. What's the way forward? The way forward lies not in choosing between tradition and technology, but in uniting them, restoring nutrient profiles with modern science while honoring the holistic principles that have guided humanity for millennia. Following 6 directional points could be helpful. First, policy leadership. Mandate targeted fortification tailored to local diets with strict oversight to prevent excess. Second, agricultural innovation. Promote biofortified crops that naturally deliver essential nutrients. Third, industry accountability. Reformulate processed foods to preserve nutrient density while reducing harmful additives. Fourth, nutrition literacy. Integrate education on cellular health and balanced diets into schools, workplaces, and community programs. Fifth, personalized nutrition. Harness digital tools for individual diet planning, ensuring cellular nourishment and disease prevention. Sixth, global collaboration. Share research, technology, and policy models to make balanced nutrition a universal right. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the Bhagavad Gita reminds humanity that food shapes not only human body but also the mind and the quality of thoughts and actions. Lord Krishna declares foods that enhance life, vitality, strength, health, joy, and satisfaction are dear to those who seek higher well-being. The Creator, in infinite generosity, has designed this earth with abundance. Grains, fruits, pulses, herbs, and minerals in natural fortification program to elevate human life. Each cell of the human body is a sacred spark of this creation, and by nourishing it with balance and care, humanity fulfills its highest programming to live in vitality, think with clarity, act with compassion, and progress toward wisdom. When modern science, ancient knowledge, and conscious intent unite, nourishment becomes more than survival. It becomes a celebration of life's abundance and a shared journey toward a healthier, happier, and more prosperous world. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.